Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in and log out of your Soundraw account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type soundraw.io and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Soundraw. You can scroll down and look at many of the features provided. You can also scroll over the navbar. Right now on the top right section of the screen, that's the navbar, you will find something like login and sign up. Simply click on the login button right here. Now we're gonna be redirected to a new page, that's sign in. You can log into your account using two methods, either using your Google account or simply by entering your email address and password. Log in by any one method you find most suitable. In case you forgot your password, here's the button right here that says forgot your password. Click on it and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Now I'm gonna enter my credentials. Once you've entered your credentials, simply hit on the login button right here. And as you can see, we have been successfully logged into our account. Well guys, that's how we log in. From here you can create music, look at many things from here. It's the same. Right here at the top right, you will find your profile icon. Simply click on it. Something like this will open up. In here you get many options like creating music, accounts, favorites. But at the very end, you will find a button called as sign out. Simply click on it and you will be logged out of your account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in and log out of your Soundraw account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.